So my name's Neil, I'm a site agent for Kier. Currently we are at Toddbrook Reservoir in the Derbyshire Whaley Bridge area. So basically what happened was August 2019, after several days of heavy rain, a member of the public identified that there was a hole in the auxiliary spillway. Kier, along with the Canal and River Trust, have been working to obviously repair what had happened and leading up to the structure that we're in the process of building at the minute. Everything is done to the millimetre. The people that initially built these reservoirs, you know, the Victorians, very clever people, because they didn't have the technology we had, but everything's built to like datum levels, and like we're checking those datum levels now with the systems we've got, and they're spot on. It's been imperative for us to be able to use DroneDeploy, and it's obviously been extremely useful. We've been able to have that bird's eye view of the site, and we've been able to interrogate certain parts of the site to be able to highlight which stages we're building, you know, what we're planning next in terms of the programme of works, where we've been able to achieve milestones around the job. We have weekly meetings with the client, and we're able to demonstrate to the client the progress that we've made, and typically we do that through DroneDeploy. When a structure's built using our concrete, for instance, the site engineers are able to compare it to the model on DroneDeploy, so it's really helping from a quality point of view. Whenever we're speaking to subcontractors or potential suppliers, rather than them come to site, we're able to send DroneDeploy to them via a link, and they're able to interrogate the site for themselves and see exactly what it is we're referring to. So yeah, so overall, you know, really happy. It's made our life really easy. DroneDeploy definitely helps us in that respect.